It is Saturday morning. Welcome, friends. How are you all doing? I'm so excited you're here. It is 7:27 and it is a rainy Saturday and I've been up since 4:15. I went to bed at 7 last night. Let me see if I can. I went to bed at 7 last night. I had a massive migraine, worked through it. I did end up leaving work an hour earlier. It just kicked my behind, that migraine. I've shared here bits of my migraine treatment that I'm on. I do an injection monthly on myself, and I started this like a year ago, and it's been a blessing because it has helped me so much. Now, getting this migraine yesterday was like one of the worst ones since I've been on this treatment, and I'm hoping this is only because there wasn't, my insurance has to authorize this injection, and when I went to request a refill, I had to call the doctor to submit an authorization, all of that. And with that being said, it delayed my injection by a couple of weeks. So I'm assuming this is the reason why my body now has to get adjusted to it again. I'm hoping that's what it is, and I'm hoping it's not the injection now not working, because it's been so good to not have to deal with these massive migraines, because yesterday, my goodness, I felt so sick. So I woke up feeling much better. I'm not 100%, but feel so much better. So it's like $1,000,000 to me. And my husband is working. The rest of the family is sleeping. I am going by the bakery and a donut shop to pick up some goodies, and then come back home and tackle our home. I don't know about you, friends, but with working full-time, and this is just us, right? Because everybody's household is very different. It's just different, period. Some things we can relate to each other, or can relate, but I feel like with a rush and the routine of the same thing every single day, as far as like getting up early, getting ready to go to work, do a few chores, and then at the end of the day come back home, and the routine every day is sort of the same, with a few extra either stressors or whatever it is that life brings us that we have to deal with. For the most part, working full-time, it's like a routine every day. By the end of the week, my home is like a disaster. And of course, with having cats, I swear it's like having toddlers, because toys are everywhere and makes me happy. But I also want to tidy up the house, to enjoy the home being tidied up and cleaned for the weekend. So I'm going to take today to do a slow, rainy, cozy day, and we will do a few things together. And my plan is also to bake. I mean, with this weather, I'm not baking much because I'm getting goodies from the donut shop, but last weekend I wanted to bake an apple cake that I haven't done in so long. It's I don't make that. I probably make that cake once a year, if not every 2 years, because it's really like rich and probably not good for us, but gotta enjoy life a little, right, friends? So that's what I'm going to indulge in, that cake today with, and my husband is also looking forward to having that. So I'm going to do that, and with, you know, house chores, just kind of taking care of our home, making it feel cozy, cleaned. I'm thinking of making something in the Crockpot. So with this weather, probably like taco soup. I think I have everything at home for taco soup. So when I come back, we're going to take a look at that. But for now, we're just going to head out, get those goodies, so when the family wakes up, everybody's home from work today, when the family, with the exception of my husband. So when the family wakes up, they have some goodies, and then just do our thing, friends. How's it been for you? I know some of you work in the school field. I hope you're having a great start to your year, and I hope you're having a great start to your year. Even if you're not in the school field, I just hope you're doing well, period. And how's the weather where you're at? Here, it's definitely starting to look like fall. Living in New England is amazing because we get to experience the 4 seasons. And fall is definitely around the corner because you can see right there against the fence, the leaves are changing color. That's amazing. It's so good to see that. All right, I'm going to head out and I will see you in a bit. my apologies on the way I have you propped in the car. I don't have, the car mount that I have is no longer working properly, but it is 5:30 and I left the house around 4 and I went to go take care of my mom. She's all set. I got to see her, got to see my dad. Now I'm heading back home to continue on for the rest of the evening. I left a load of laundry going. I folded. I'm feeling productive. I have done things in the house like at a slower pace, and I've said it before, friends, for some reason when I do things like, I hope you can hear me because it's raining. It's been raining all day. I'm not complaining. It's a perfect cozy Saturday for sure. Every time I do things around the house like at a slower pace, I just feel more productive. So I'm not going to look at the phone. Hopefully you can still see me and hear me. So I'm just going to head home, and the taco soup smells so good. I will leave the link to the channel that I got this recipe from. So many of you might actually recognize her. I'll leave the link in the description box. I've been making this taco soup since I found her channel, and I love it. I'm stopped at a red light so I can look at you. I cannot wait to sit and get some knitting done. I am going to be knitting a pair of socks for a friend of mine. She is obsessed with Beetlejuice, and I bought yarn, a kit to make socks for her it's a Beetlejuice kit, and I can also leave the website that I got this from because I love watching their podcasts, and it's a mother-daughter, and I just love watching them. Hold on, friends, you're still there. I am just making sure. Okay, here we go. I love watching them. So sorry, I got distracted. I hate going over bridges, and I'm going over a bridge. So, but yes, I love watching their podcasts, and they're just funny, and they're just like so real, so natural. I love them. So they don't know I exist. So, but I love to give shout outs, even if they don't know me. I just think it's a great thing to do to spread the word. So I got two kits, one a Christmas one, and I got the Beetlejuice one. So I'm finishing up the second sock to the pair that I'm knitting for myself, and I'm gonna start the other one, the Beetlejuice one, and then I am going to also, I need to finish a blanket that I started. I'm at a red light. I don't know if I've shared, I started crocheting a blanket with fall colors, but the colors are not what I expected it to be. The yellow one is just too, is it the yellow that's too bright, or the green? I think the yellow is not the ideal yellow that I thought it would be, but I'm going to continue going with it. I just want to finish it, and it will be used. The blanket will be used, but I'm not going to unravel that now. So, but anyway, so I want to try and do quite a bit of that as well. I have to work all day tomorrow. Not all day. I'm going to get up very early and get my work done so I can enjoy the rest of the day, since I did a lot of cleaning today. And it will be like, I need to go in my closet and do a little bit of organizing. I need to organize my sweaters. I'll take you in there. So it will be nice to just get a, I always like resetting on Sunday to get prepped for the work week ahead. All right, friends, I am going to continue driving. I should be home shortly, and if I don't see you today, I will definitely, we'll meet back over here tomorrow, but I'll try and remember to take a clip of my taco soup. I have fresh cheese I'm going to put on the soup. I have avocado. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so good. Perfect. I'm at another red light, so